Hello, just to get things straight, this isn't my real voice as I can't stand doing voiceovers, but I am guessing the semi-robot tone might have given it away. This is the first property that I ever bought and sold, back in 2017. I somehow managed to talk the seller into selling it to me for $25.8k. Yes, you could buy houses that cheap back then. So here is my first ever renovation, self-taught using YouTube videos and lots of head scratching. In the first week I mainly spent my time gutting the property of flooring and furniture. I then jet washed the backyard flags and also jet washed the front wall to see how the stone would come up. The second week I took my hand at tiling. My god, this is boring. I half-tiled the bathroom and also started half-tiling the entire kitchen. I managed to give the bathroom a lick of paint which made a big difference and even got into the garden to fit new fencing and painted the rear yard walls. Week 3 had more tiling and also the joy of grouting. If you thought tiling was boring, then grouting is even more exciting. I painted the woodwork on the stairs and then moved on to removing the ceiling in the living room where there was a rotten joist. I had a joiner come in to repair the joist for me as there was no way I could have done that myself. Week 4 saw the biggest changes in the property. New anthracite windows and doors were fitted, the living room was plastered, I started to fit my first ever kitchen on my own, and I also had a painter come and start on the inside and outside of the property. I fitted the straight worktop but had to get a joiner in for the corner piece as there was no way I could do that myself. Week 5 saw some more tiling. The last bit in the windowsill, thank God. The kitchen plumbing was finished by a plumber and the new carpets and flooring went in. This is the point I find the property actually feels like a home, and I love that new carpet smell. I then began staging the property before the rental images were taken by a local estate agent. Week 6 had the estate agent come round to take the listing images. This is where I saw the real power of property. I had completed my figures at a resale of 60k. The agent valued it at 70k and in those few minutes I had made 10k extra profit. Mind blown. The property actually sold on its very first viewing. I made more in these few weeks than almost a full year's salary at my old job. And there is the very quick version of my first ever renovation. I hope you enjoyed.
Welcome to the Finnigan McNeill Property Group. We specialize in completely hands-free buy-to-let investments. Our services start with us finding a property for you. This may be something that is ready to rent or something that requires a renovation. If a renovation is needed, we will complete all works on your behalf. The next stage is then for us to get your rental property listed, find you a tenant, and then take care of looking after that tenant and sending you your monthly rent. We aim to make your investment journey as simple as possible, so if you like what you see, why not get in touch with us for a chat?